Friends, good morning to everybody. Today I am going to teach you about the topic invitation and reply. I have to explain what does the word invitation means. As you know, an invitation is a short composition and a question of about 50 words is asked in the examination. It can be used for various purposes. When somebody organizes a different type of functions such as marriage programs, ceremonial programs, birthdays, etc. Then we have to write the invitation. We have to explain that is written on the blackboard. Invitations are of two types. First number, formal invitation. Second number, informal invitation. You have to understand both types of invitation. Formal invitation, you can call it in the form of a card or letter, and it is given in a fixed format. इसका एक फॉर्मेट होता है जिसे हम फॉर्मल इन्विटेशन कहते हैं. सेकेंड नंबर, इनफॉर्मल इन्विटेशन, इट कैन बी कॉल्ड a letter or a note. When we start to write it, we have no limit. Its format is only free and writing. इसको हम स्वतंत्र होकर के लेटर के रूप में या नोट के रूप में लिख सकते हैं. That's why it is called informal invitation. Now we go to the next point. We have to explain about formal invitations. How do we write formal invitations? What points we should keep in mind while writing invitation? The first point goes, start with the designation of the organizer. जब किसी भी प्रोग्राम का आयोजन होता है तो उसका जो ऑर्गेनाइजर होता है तो सबसे पहले हमें उसका जो डेजिग्नेशन होता है वहां से स्टार्ट करना होता है. Second point goes, followed by name and address of the host. जो हमारा होस्ट होता है उसका नाम, एड्रेस आदि लिखना चाहिए. This is the second point. And after that, details of date, time, venue of the event function. What type of function is going to be held on particular date and time? We have to explain, we have to mention on the invitation the date of program, time also should be mentioned, and the venue, you know, place. जब तक हम किसी भी invitation में इन चीज को ओपन नहीं करेंगे, date, time, venue, our invitation will not be completed. That's why we should keep some valuable points in our mind. Next point goes, the name of the chief organizer with RSVP on the right or left hand side, bottom corner of the card. This is the important point. I think you have seen many cards or invitation cards and also have seen the written numbers at the right or left corner, RSVP. हमने देखा होगा बहुत सारे इन्विटेशंस आते हैं, उनमें हमारे यहाँ लिखा होता है कार्ड्स पर RSVP. हम उसको अनदेखा छोड़ देते हैं. Today I am going to telling the meaning of these letters RSVP. As you know, RSVP is a French word, and French is not spoken in our country, but we have to use some words regarding English from in the same way, when we write invitations, so we have to use RSVP. मीन्स होता है रेस्पॉन्स इन वाउस प्लेट. इट्स मीनिंग इज प्लीज रेस्पॉन्ड. लिखा जाता है जैसे कभी कभी हिंदी में भवदीय या आपका या ये स्वीकार करें. तो इन्विटेशंस में इन वर्ड्स का जो ये महत्व होता है जो हमने आपको एक्सप्लेन किया है. आफ्टर सम टाइम I will explain some questions that is being sent in written formation. Then you will be able to understand them clearly. Today I have told you about the introductory points and sentences of the invitation writing. In the next video, I shall have to explain how to write the reply of invitation. When we write invitation and we have to write also reply. Reply can be written in both forms. That will be explained in next video. This is the first part of this video. Thanks.